Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing. Today we are going to reveal a very interesting topic in front of you. Hi, you're watching Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility, and this is your tech assistant Ratul. Today, basically, we will discuss on how you can reveal a shortened link which is created by tinyurl or bitly. So let's start today's episode. Friends, first of all, why shortened link is required? Friends, there are several reasons for shortened link. Suppose you have a character limitation, or suppose you want to hide the original site from your viewers, then you can create a shortened link. Creating shortened link is easy, but still I'm going to show you how you can create your shortened link by using tinyurl and bitly. Then after that, I will show you how you can reveal it. So friends, now you are seeing my screen and I have opened a Chrome window. Here I have opened bitly website, bitly.com.
URL shortener shorter ls and custom free link short URL you enter URL to be shortened edit
So
shorten
here
your
you
enter.
need to type the long URL. I have created first I want to create the link for bitly. So I'm creating the link
blank
for our website, official website, https://
http
accessiblecomputing dot
accessiblebook period
blogspot.com.
Blog
Okay, so then I'm pressing tab.
URL shortener shorter ls and custom free link shortener bitly shorten button.
So I'm clicking on shorten button.
Enter URL shortener shorter ls and custom free.
So I'm click on H.
Short links big results
links.
heading level 2 a URL shortener build link get started for free link at main region. Want to customize the link shortener that has your brand's back heading level your brand wasn't the link want to custom link at start want a URL shortener build with link get a quote main region copy button.
Yes, I'm pressing B and there's a copy button. So I'm copying my bitly link.
Enter selected HTTP unselect.
So I'm just opening a notepad
Windows
and paste it.
Pasted https://bit.ly/37ovas.
So enter. Now after that, I'm just going to Chrome again and open tinyurl. Here I need to create another link, same link, I mean our official website's link, but we need to short it out.
Your long URL read only edit https://domestic.
So let me
F5 alert. I'm using this site. You agree escape. Type.
Now I'm pressing E.
Long URL edit required.
Long URL edit. So here you need to type the long URL. I'm typing https:// accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com.
Required.
So it is quite tough to remember. So that's why I'm creating the short link.
tinyurl.com.
tinyurl.com. Now
alias edit type in text.
Alias edit. So here you can type whatever you want. So just I'm just typing our official website link or our official website, our official name. I can say Accessible Computing.
Blank. Home CACCESSIBLECOMPUTING blank.
Okay, so then I'm
home CACCESS tinyurl.com make tinyurl.
I'm clicking on make tinyurl.
Enter tinyurl.com alert tinyurl created. Your recent tinyurls get folded rename button.
Rename button, you can rename it, but I'm not.
Edit button. Edit. Share your URL on social media. Copy to clipboard button.
So I'm
and
copying
alert copy
and I'm
star on H blank and blank
pasting here, pasting in the notepad which I have already created.
Pasted.
Now the time is reveal links. So before going to the session on how to reveal this links, how to know where the links is taken or whatever, so please like the video and subscribe my channel for latest videos. Also, I have shared my Telegram channel link, our Telegram channel link. So just go to description box and join our Telegram channel, like our Facebook page also. The Facebook page link you can find in our description box, or just go to Facebook and search Accessible Computing. You will find us. Also, if you wish, you can donate us as per your convenience because your support is required. So the donation options also given in the description below. Now let me reveal the tricks on how you can reveal. So first
https://bit.ly/37
we will reveal the bit.ly link. So I'm copying this link.
Home. Select copied. Tiny.
Go to my browser and open a new tab.
Control T selected.
Here I am pasting the link.
Alt T pasted.
And after that, at the end of the link,
End.
I am adding a plus
numlock on.
sign.
Plus.
Now I am pressing enter. Let's see what will happen.
Enter. Bitly, the power of the link. Google Chrome.
Bitly, the power of the link. Okay.
Bitly, the power of the visited link. Navlink Enterprise. No headings. Link resources. Created 7 May 13. Link sign up. Link created 7 May 13.
Created
22.
7 May.
Welcome accessible computing, access to technology with accessibility.
Oh no, that is the original website content.
Visited link https://accessibleblecomputing.blogspot.com/.
So that's it. This is the original website.
Read only edit http://bit.ly/370vaz.
Okay.
Press Ctrl C to copy. Link bit.ly/370 link bit.ly/.
Okay, so that's it. Now let's make another.
Close. Star.
Let me copy the tiny URL link.
https://tinyurl.com/accessibleblecomputing.
By the way, if you may forget our official website accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com or having any issue, you may search us https://tinyurl. That's tinyurl.com/accessiblecomputing.
https://tinyurl.com.
Let me copy it. Then I'm going to my browser. Then open a new tab.
Control T. Select.
Paste the link.
Pasted.
And now
home https://.
Here I need to enter or type preview preview dot
preview period.
So now the link is
address and search bar edit https://preview/tinyurl.com/access.
Oh my god.
Home preview/p/r/p/:/
after double slash. Okay, after double slash.
PREVIE double period /t/.
Now the final link is
address and search bar edit https://preview.tinyurl.com/accessibleblecomputing. Type in text.
Yes. So now I'm pressing enter here.
Enter.
Let's see what will happen.
tinyurl.com shorten that long U tinyurl.
I'm pressing H.
tinyurl.com visited heading making over 1 billion longer visited preview of tinyurl.com/accessibleblecomputing. This tiny URL redirects to block quote https://accessibleblecomputing.blogspot.com.
Yes, the original link is revealed.
Block quote end. Visited link proceed to this site. Separate visited link proceed to this site.
If you click on proceed to this site, then the link will be redirected to our official website.
You currently have the preview feature disabled.
So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this small video, small tutorial. Let me know into the comment section how this video helps you and how this trick helps you in your daily life. Because if we are not able to get your feedback, it's very, very tough to support you. Okay, so don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And we will come again soon with a new video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching till the end. Bye-bye.